Guys, may nakita ako ditong comment na tutorial down how to get an update or tracker reference number. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, ang first step is pupunta kayo kay virtual assistant ni Orange App, kay Pixie, and then ito-type niyo yung customer agent, ito, nasa baba. And then, lalabas sa inyo yung got it, what would you like to ask about. Ang lalabas dyan is my previous inquiries or a new inquiry. So, pipindutin nyo yung my previous, and then guys, lalabas dyan yung previous inquiries nyo kay Orange App. Then, pipindutin nyo lang dyan yung case ID number na yung recent transaction nyo sa kanila. Doon, pipindutin nyo yung inquire this. And then guys, lalabas yan. Yan, ito yung inquiry case, pay later. Yan, lalabas yung nasa baba ng my previous inquiry. Then, i-connect nila kayo kay call center agent. Then, yon, pwede nyo na ulit tanong sa kanila yung concern nyo, update nyo yung concern nyo. Kasi meron na naman yung case ID. Alam na nila yung previous transaction nyo sa kanila.